Before we begin, this video is sponsored by the Teach Kind Learning Initiative and Spark for Autism. Okay, to begin my explanation on anatomy, I need an animal. Where can I find an animal at? Oh, wait. Here we go. Here's a nice animal, fresh after a coconut bath. Okay, now that we got an animal, give them a treat, and use a model for this lesson instead. Better to use a model anyways, because that way, no animal is chopped up into little pieces and there are no cancer-causing chemicals. Not to mention that this is much cleaner, cheaper, and less of a distraction to students. With a model like this, you have no Bart Simpsons using the intestines as wigs.
Specimen's natty dreads, I was able to deduce that he was a jammin' Rastafrogian.
Oh, look at that. We even get a run-through of the entire body. Let's start with the skin, the best part that holds the entire animal together. Well, we also need to remove the rest of the parts of the body too, so we can assemble the frog. I just realized I didn't need gloves because unlike a real dead frog that's been laced with chemicals, this isn't a health hazard. Okay, we got the clear pieces in so we can safely see the inside of the frog. Oh, would you look at that? We already got the legs assembled. We can even easily identify the leg bones. Would you look at that? A beautiful model. And now, we can always take the top off and dissect this frog. We can easily identify the skeleton, the heart, the lungs, a liver, the intestines and stomach, the ovaries, and even the other bones. 100% science, zero guilt. This model is perfect. It provides all the information, but yet it still keeps it simple for younger ones to learn easily. I give it a 10 out of 10 and I recommend it for many schools.